What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today, the very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we are live at Samsung Developer Conference 2024 in San Jose, California. And if you guys follow me on Twitter, you know we've been breaking some news today. Samsung did not really announce much information at the keynote conference this morning, but they did have some devices running oneui 7.0. I don't know if it was on purpose, but they were over in the Code Lab tutorial area. And yes, I used some oneui 7.0 devices running on the S24 Ultra today. Wrote some articles already about it on our website. If you haven't yet, check us out, sammyguru.com. We cover the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials. You can also get a free mystery box when you order your next Galaxy smartphone. If you're in the US, put in your phone number, your email, go ahead and sign up. We send out some cases, cleaning kits, desktop phone stands, other randomly inserted goodies. That'll be in the pinned comment description if you guys are interested. So what I'm gonna do is go through all the photos I took and then I have a few videos as well that I'm going to share as I'm kind of talking through things here. Now, this is definitely not a final version of oneui 7.0, so keep that in mind. It's far from final, but let's take a look at the various things that I was able to get photos of. So first of all, this is the new notification shade. And yes, the notification shade is separate from the quick settings. That's been confirmed. That was in some leaks, and now that's completely confirmed. You can see here, it's got these individual tile structures here. You got the settings at the bottom, clear at the bottom here in like a rounded corner kind of shape. The other thing you can see at the top, I have a better photo of this later, but the new battery icon, we'll look at that in a little bit more in a bit. This is just another one I took. I took some duplicates. I was trying to figure out, what's new, what isn't. Like I said, this is a hands-on Code Lab session. So it wasn't really like I felt bad taking photos. Later, I was able to go back and get some videos and ask the guy who was running the Code Lab if I was able to do that. This is the notification section. Doesn't really look any different from oneui 6.1.1. Again, some things are not finalized. A lot of it still looks like 6.1. Here's the app notification settings. You can see some of the new app icons, contacts, and Galaxy themes. I have some more of those later on. This is the new Samsung account kind of tile. It's kind of rounded. This is the settings menu itself with Galaxy AI, of course, separated out like on 6.1. Here's the software information. You can see it's running oneui 7.0 based on Android 15. Knox kernel, all this build number down here ends in BXIW. It's obviously a test build, of course, as we know. I took some more of those. Those are all software. Here's some of the new icons, and of course the most polarizing one is the gallery icon that's got this like rainbow looking color on it. You've also got new smart things. You've got a brand new icon for the camera. You've got contacts, settings, which has got a black border around the familiar cog. There's this other app here, Samsung Keystroke. Some people are asking if this is going to be a new first-party app for consumers. I don't think so. I think this is probably the demo thing that they run to let them know like if anyone typed anything into the phone, because it was connected to the Wi-Fi at the conference. Down here, you've got the search bar at the bottom, along with some three-dot menus there. Over here, I took some more of the home screen settings. These don't appear to be much different from 6.1.1. So again, everything is not finalized for sure. Picture of the home screen they had there. You guys can see Galaxy AI for all the smart things icon, the camera icon, and the phone icon. There's another picture of the smart things icon. You can see that battery, new battery icon at the top there that's redesigned as well. Here's some more of those icons from a different angle that I was able to take. I went back several times. This is the Samsung folder. So you can see some of the redesigns there as well. Some of these actually look almost the same as they do in 6.1, so not everything is redesigned. That was the one I zoomed in on the battery icon. Some people like that, some people don't. You guys can let me know what you think. A couple of tries. Now this seems to be new here on the home screen, inside the app drawer. Clean up pages. We have sort and settings currently in 6.1. Now you've got clean up pages there as well. Here, some more home screen stuff. Here's the camera UI. Now I posted an article on this. This was also in the original leaks we saw from a few months ago. You've now got all the toggles on the bottom. You've got this little button to expand the various modes. And so if you expand it, these were really blurred photos, honestly. I was trying to hurry up and get these because obviously other people wanted to do the Code Lab as well. Here's the toggles for the various modes. I don't see anything new in terms of modes, but like I said, this is definitely an earlier build. So, here is the quick toggles, and you can actually redesign, can rearrange these. I took a full shot of that in the video. So we'll actually go through the videos that I took here in a second. These are all some other menus. Here's the settings now in oneui 7.0, redesigned a little bit, but some of this stuff, like I said, I tried to go through and look at all the different menus. Not all of these are really any different than 6.0. So now here's the video. This is the first video I took, and you guys should see it here in full resolution as I'll kind of insert it, as I have it on the screen here, but I'll insert it for the video for you guys so you can see it. Trying to test the animations for you guys. I also have, we'll look at another one in a second. I'm definitely not the best at doing the animation style testing that a lot of people do on X, where they kind of just go through rapid fire. But I was trying to show you guys some various things that you might want to see here, like the separate pages there, like the search bar at the bottom, inside of the app drawer as well, the different settings that you have inside the search bar, which you guys can see there in the video. I was really just going through, trying to do as many different things as I could, looking at the different toggles when you long press on the home screen, taking a look at the different types of blur that you see there. But the animations overall felt very smooth, very fluid, definitely better than 6.1. They definitely feel close to iOS level, which is something that Ice Universe said as well about them. And you can see I was trying to film and also, you know, make sure that people weren't getting angry that I wasn't letting them do the tutorial along the way. But you can see here that everything looks, you know, pretty fluid overall. I'll switch to the other video, and I'll put both of these in the description because, you know, the full version, and there's kind of some overlap between these two videos, that's for sure. I took, in this one, I think I took 60 FPS, so as you can see, the animation's a little bit better. Here I actually went in and turned on the gestures inside of home screen settings, so I could go through and maybe do a little bit faster work. It took me a while, like I said, not my best work getting into the settings here, but a lot of people were, you know, busy. It's busy around there. Anyway, turned on the gestures, swipe gestures, because they had the 3-button nav on, and then just kind of navigated around some of the menus, as you guys can see there. Those aren't really false touches. I'm trying to touch the screen while also checking that my video is good and in focus and all that stuff, and trying to create the content along the way. But the one thing I will say is the quick settings, since they're 2 pages, you swipe on the left for the notifications and on the right to get the quick settings now. You really have to swipe in the very top right corner, it appears. That's the gesture. You can't swipe anywhere like 50% the middle and then go to the right a little bit. You can't swipe that way to get the quick settings. You'll get notifications still. You guys can probably see I tried that there. Open up the new Samsung Internet icon. Didn't really see any new changes to that particular app, even though the icon is redesigned. So like I said, I'll drop the full video below because I know a lot of people want to analyze this, people who love the animation side. But I didn't see any new features in phone or any of the other big applications. Definitely far from finalized version of oneui 7.0, but we do have it running on an S24 Ultra here, which is huge news. Glad I was able to get it at Samsung Developer Conference. If you guys have any other questions, drop them below. If I can answer them, I will. I wasn't able to check everything, but if there's something that you want to know about that I can't answer, I definitely will do that. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Go to sammyguru.com, check out the mystery box program if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.